Hello, there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. Welcome to Simon Plays So 2, and this is the fishing guy. And this is what we're going to be doing. I mean, we're not going to go exploring and all that. I have another series that goes explore and play this game as you're supposed to be doing. This playthrough here is going to be all about fishing. That's all we're going to be doing. Only fishing. And I want to see if it's possible to make a living fishing, and I'm just gonna enjoy the fishing. I don't know if this is going to be interesting for anybody except me. I debated whether I should go ahead with this or not. And at first I was very doubtful in that, I didn't think anybody would want to watch this. But then I thought, well, it's not really for me to decide if people would like to watch it or not. I should just put it out there and let people decide for themselves. Now, we're not going to be fighting, we're not going to do any of that, we're just going to be fishing. So the first thing we are going to be looking to doing is, of course, make the raft. We have to make the raft. And after that, we need to get our fishing rod as soon as possible, so that we can start fishing, really. Right. There's a cave with some supplies. Northwest of the camp. Well, that would be this way. So let's just go get the raft built, and then we'll look into getting our first fishing rod and start fishing, because that's what we are going to be doing here. Alright. Probably just gonna throw most of this away. Just need to build this raft, and once we build the raft, then I want to make sure we can make money on fishing alone. Once we have the raft and you've done this tutorial quest, we will throw away all of our stuff, get rid of it, and get some pearls, get a fishing rod. Perhaps we'll just build a fishing rod. Oh boy. Well. Alright, let's just get this over in here. Got some recipes. We can sort all that once we have the raft in at the town. Yes, health potions. Let's get back and can't see the recipe. All right, we'll have to see it at the workbench, I suppose. We got everything. Perfect. Let's get it made. There we go. Brilliant. Okay. Now we need to go here. Should probably take a look at where we are. So we need to go east and a little bit south. Yeah, well that's straight, so I guess it's this island over here. Let's get sailing. We need a little bit of stone and a little bit of plant fibers in order to make our fishing pole. Yeah, I'm not sure how that works. I mean, we have that to steer with, and then we have this one. But anyway, it works. That's all that matters here. So we just gotta get to town here. Come on, go this way, please. So there's our first place where we will begin our fishing career. Perfect. Alright. We need some stone and we need some plant fiber. Alright, I think we can should be able to track that. Oh yeah. So now we just need stone. Yeah, let's see if we can just buy a fishing rod. Oh, the stones. Here we go. There might be stones here. Nope. Alright. No stones. Let's see if the fisher guy has a fishing rod we can buy.
Need something?
Oh yeah. 50 copper. Let's just we need 50 copper, yeah. There you go.
Welcome.
That should do it. Now we need bait. Yeah, it's 4 per. Let's get rid of all of our stuff here. We can. Yeah, how do we get rid of all this stuff? Is there no place where we can? Can we just dump it? Let's see. Destroy. Yeah, that's gonna take a little bit of time. Let's just do this. We don't want any money here or anything. We just want. I guess we can just learn those. That's okay. Everything should be coming from fishing. Oops. So we're gonna get rid of all this stuff here. Let's try these. Don't make us any money. These. Let's get rid of that. Yes. Okay, so we need a little bit of money for bait. We can fish some, how do you call those? Pearls? That's what you call those. Nope. Yeah, no luck in that one. Ah, there we go. Not sure how much this is worth. Let's go see. Just need the ball rolling here. I'm in down here. Where was that fisher guy? Ah, right. It was over here.
Need something?
50. Ah, okay, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna get those bait here. Alright. So we got all of these. We're gonna need to start fishing. Let's see if we can earn a living doing this. Might as well fish from the draft. So this is what this series is going to be all about. See if we can make a living as an honest fisherman. No adventures, no running around killing pirates or hunting or anything of that. Just this. And if that's not your cup of tea, that's alright. I got a series where I do all the adventure stuff. Feel free to check that out. But if you like to just chill out, fish, see what we catch here, just relax, this would be perfect for you. I enjoy fishing like this. I enjoyed that a lot in World of Warcraft, in other games as well. I enjoy the adventures and all that, and I definitely also enjoy this. Well, we're off to a good start here. We got a green fish there and a barracuda. Not sure what they're worth, we will see. We got 50 copper for that pearl. Now we got a sunken coin purse. Yeah, we'll tally it up once we fish these 11 worms. Another coin purse, very good. We're already level 5 in fishing. Oh, gotta be quicker there. Barracuda, very good. Level 7. We are going up in level very quickly. It's good to see. Wooden plank, rotten wood plank. I think those are worth 1 copper, so yeah. Not all that exciting. There's a 50% chance of losing the worm, so I guess rotten wood planks is 2 copper. And did we pay 3 copper for the worms? I'm not sure. We'll take another look at that once we get to the merchant again. Got some seaweed. That's a 1 copper item as well. There's another one copper item. Those 2 coin purses, there can be a lot of copper in those. Angelfish. Oh, that's right. We got the fishing quests. No, I'm not gonna do those. Not here to begin with. I want to see if we can make money just fishing. No quests and all that. Let's just see pure fishing. We can always later decide if we want to do quests or not. Map in a bottle. Yeah. I don't know if there's a fishing guild. I'll have to look into that. There probably is. I mean, there's a divers guild, so why wouldn't there be a fisher guild? Blue grabber. We're already level 10 here. 6 worms left. It's gonna be interesting to see if we make a little bit of money on this or not. There's a big element of luck in this. And if we have to, we can always get another pearl and buy some more worms and lures that way. Oh, trophy grabber. That's a silver. For that, I think. So that's good. That's already our money doubled just on that one alone. So we're definitely ahead right now. Now, what do we do when the merchant runs out of lures and bait? I guess we're going to have to sail to another place. I don't know if we can restock the merchants and what away and sailing away. Wood plank. Alright. And we can also catch rings and armor and all that kind of stuff, so we are not stuck on no gear just because we don't kill pirates and monsters and bears and all that. Yeah. So we will be finding equipment along the way, that way. This is going to be a nice chill series. Not sure for how long I'm going to do this, how many episodes it will be. Depends on well, how it goes really. I mean, so far it seems like we can make money doing this, so doesn't look like that's going to be the problem, but it might get repetitive and there might be no viewers. If there's no viewers, then I will just do this in my spare time, if you will. Well, this is already my spare time, so that's that. But yeah, if there's no viewers for it, I don't have to record it and upload it if nobody wants to watch it. But I didn't want to make that decision for you, so I'd rather just put it out there, and you can let me know if this is something for you or not by whether you are watching this or not, really. That's really the determining factor. I enjoy this, and I'm going to have some good times doing this, for sure. And I look forward to, in 2 worms time, I look forward to see what we get for the first round of fishing here. 1 pearl's worth of fishing. 50 copper. That's all we had. And a fishing rod. Everything else we destroyed. fishing. Looks like we're gonna be treated to a beautiful sunset here in a moment. Still got 2 worms. Yeah, I do love the sunrise and sunsets in this game. They are very beautiful. There we go. Look at those colors already. It's really lovely. Smallmouth bass. Still got 2 worms. Very lovely. There are special fish during nighttime. So we get to see those for sure. I've yet to find equipment that boosts fishing. Well, apart from the fishing rod and the lures, the bait, of course, but I mean armor and rings and all that. There are fishing rods with special effects, and according to descriptions of weapons, dexterity is what is going to boost your chance of triggering these special effects. And if it's the same for weapons as it is with fishing rods, in that case, then high dexterity will increase our chance of triggering special effects on fishing rods. So we would want dexterity equipment, if that's the case. I suspect it is. Look at that beautiful sunset. This is just lovely. Yeah, I love these orange, red colors. Absolute gorgeous. Golden sunfish. Still got that 1 worm left. There goes the sun. Behind the island out there. Trophy grouper. That's all the worms we had. Oh, we somehow... is that a tide or something? I didn't notice us floating out there, to be honest. Anyway, let's get back to town. Sell what we got and see what we end up with in terms of cold, hard coppers and silvers. And over time we where is it? We may get here it is. We may get good recipes, and it might be worth it for us to cook some of these things. In fact, let's just check if we can cook some of this stuff already. Disney cooking station. Let's see, can we cook some of this? No, we cannot cook anything. Alright. So,
Welcome.
let's see what we get here. Yeah, some of these we get a good amount of cash for. We're not gonna sell any of our other stuff here. We got some crap here. Yeah, these wooden planks here are just, yeah, not really exciting. Salmons. Seaweed. It's not really good. This one, blue-bellied fish at 25. That's pretty good. Map in a bottle is 5. Let's take it. Barracuda. Oh, look at these. There you go. Here's the real pricey ones. Right. So we got 5 silver, 93 copper for 50 coppers worth of lures. That's pretty good. And worms cost 4 copper. All right. So it's not yeah, catching these rotten wood planks and all that, that's no good. So we got these ones as well for fur, for 4 silver. Let's get those. I'm not really all that interested in catching crabs, to be honest. 30% consume chance. So instead of 50, so it's 20%. It's still too much. I would like this one. Gives us a chance to catch non-fish items. That would be pretty cool. Yeah, we got something down here that might be fun, but we cannot produce that. So let's go fish some nighttime fish, shall we? Oh boy. Let's see if we can get to a place where there's a nice beach. And we can summon our raft. It's hard to see anything here. Yeah, we'll just summon the ship here. Well, the ship is probably too generous term for this thing. There we go. Alright. Let's get fishing. That's what we do. Now we gotta feed ourselves as well. So while this one was profitable, we gotta make another surplus in that we need to eat. So we keep that in mind as well. Let's untrack that. Can I untrack that recipe somehow? Yes, I can. Perfect. Yeah, that's a night skimmer. That's one of the night-specific fish. It's pretty cool. Red crab. Ah, we ran out of bait there. So over to the fishing lure here. So we got on average 16 catches with these 8 lures. Fingers crossed we get something good here. So we fished about half an hour now. And we are well on our way with 5 silver. Oh, we got some flots, huh? Oh yeah, we didn't even look at the coin purses. Yeah, we got 3 of those. 64 copper in that one. Oh wow. Oh yeah, look at that. 7 silver. And we can eat these things here, so we just eat this one. There we go. These are good. They usually have some very nice things. There's a fishing hook there. And some potions. Now, yeah, in order to make fishing lure, we need plant fibers and stone, and I don't think we can fish that. I don't want to go mine and all that. I just want to fish, so I will probably just be selling those and yeah, buying all of our worms and lures and all that from the fishermen around the place. Ah, midnight snapper. No, that's a good one. Blue fish. It's gonna be worth a penny. Piranha. Yeah, they're not all that exciting. Another midnight snapper. Very lovely. Level 15 fishing. Yeah, we are getting levels fairly quickly, I'd say. Surprisingly quickly. Beautiful moon here. Yeah, those are, yeah, you're losing money on those, but yeah, what are you gonna do? Yeah, we can go over to this weird place and fish at some point. And I think once we got these, once we're gonna have to find another fisherman once we fish these 6 lures. I don't want to buy the more expensive lures. Angelfish. Another midnight snapper. Very good. Very good indeed. $12 throws on average left. We might be able to afford the better fishing rod. After this, we'll see. That was it 5 silver or something like that for that? It's not that expensive. Clownfish, level 17 already. Doing great here. How was that? That was a 4 or 5 copper, I think, for those. Oh, no, that was green ones. That was 20 and 30s. Yeah, so that's a good one. Yeah, I guess that makes it worth it to get those improved lures. You just need to catch one fish like that to make a profit on that. Seaweed, that's no good. Yeah, 9 skimmer. That's a good catch. Not so good on that one. Oh, misclick. Damage, we lose two copper when we catch those seaweed and rotten wood. There's a good amount of fish here. These ones should be worth a good amount. Let's see what we get for the potion there. Ship supply. I don't think. This is just recipes for the boats here. I mean, we could get a crate or have to build our ships. I don't think we can buy ships fully built. We'll figure that out eventually. Alright, let's... yeah, we're not gonna be using that one. Oh, I cannot... I can salvage it. And I suppose I can destroy that. Yeah, I can destroy that. Alright. We need these 2 items to navigate. Okay.
Need something?
If you like fishing, you can take that map on the table order for free. Oh. Get your fishing skill high enough and I might just add some rare fishing poles to my collection. Oh, well, that's nice to know. So we're looking to get this one at some point here, but first need to just fish. Yeah, we're gonna get rid of this rusty flint log as well, so we don't accidentally sell it and make money on it. So we get 3 for the stamina potion, not a lot, but these ones are very nice. Clownfish, barracuda, 35. And these 50 a piece, that's pretty good. So, so this one, yeah, I don't know. But the barracuda one, oh, it's 80%. I don't know if I like that. Let's just grab this one and fish with that, see how long that lasts. And let's take that, and then let's no, I don't know if I think I will hold off on this and see if we can make some money with these things we just got here. I don't want to end up going broke here. We need a reservoir. It's better to just oh, hold on, we had a map, right? Yeah, I need to have a surplus so I can afford to have bad fishing trips. But he mentioned something about a map on the table. Map to fishing guild. Well, alright then. That's something we can look into. Probably the next episode we can go and see what they have. Yeah, right now I just want to see if we can keep making a profit this way. Right, we have to go on the other side apparently. There's only one way up on this one. There it is. Yeah, it would be nice with some kind of light here. So, let's see if we get lucky with this one. Trophy bass. Oh yeah, that's a silver already. Very nice. Sunken coin purse. Oh yeah. Very good. Definitely in profit here. Salmon. Yeah, we're lucky. It's still going strong this low. Yellow tank. Nice skill. Level 19 now. Angelfish. Yeah, we're lucky on this lure. On average we should get 5 throws on it. But if we are really lucky, we can do this for a long time. Yeah, there we go. Now let's go see with this one, the crab thing here, and see if we get some crab and crabs and what they're worth. Yeah, we got a red crab there. Alright. Probably not worth it. Yeah, I think the one with 20% die is probably alright, but most bankrupt bug is really the worms and the cheap ones at 4 copper.
Need something?
Yeah, it's 5 for the crab, so that was a loss in that. But the other one, very nice. I see then now he's out of stuff we want to buy here. So we need to go to a different place, and perhaps we could just go to that fishing guild here. It's not that far away, we just need to go west. I say we do that. Let's do that. Go see what that's all about as the end of this episode. And we got 11 silver and 95 copper from 1 pearl's worth of fishing lure, so it was 50 cents. So yeah, it's a pretty good profit on that. Now let's see. Oh, I can't see anything here. Right, you're gonna have to rest until morning. I'm getting a little bit hungry as well. But hopefully the fishing guild have a good amount of lures and stuff to buy. Let's for cooking, we can't rest with that. Perhaps we can rest with what about over here? Now that's cooking also. What about here then? That's better. Alright. Perfect. Morning. Hold on, we got the general merchant. Perhaps. Nope. No, yeah. No fishing stuff from that one. So west. Right, we'll have to sail around the island here. So that's good. Good start on the fishing run. Right. Very good. Let's have a nice little drink here while we sail away. Beautiful morning. Let's just get this one out of the way. Oh yeah, we need to get rid of this stuff here. Yeah, we can get rid of that. There we go. Alrighty. Perhaps we can buy a fishing boat from the fishing guild at some point. That'd be pretty cool. Yeah, you're actually pretty fast, this little thing. Impressively fast. Let's hope we don't run into a storm here. That would be pretty scary. So that's the starter island, right? We're gonna go quite a bit further. Let me pause you guys, and yeah, you can rejoin me once I arrived at the fishing guild. See you there. Well, changed my mind. We are already at an episode here, so how about next episode we will just be starting at the fishing guild, and yeah, we won't be doing any more fishing this episode anyway. I want to thank you for all of you who fished along, and hope to see you all in the next one. Bye bye for now.